topic my daily routine. Every day I get up early in the morning at around 6 a.m. First, I get dressed and then I come out of my house and I walk on the road for some time. And then I sit for 15 minutes. Then I take a cup of tea and I read newspaper. I sit with my family members for sometimes. I take breakfast around 8 o'clock and then I ready to go for college. And college gets over at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. After I come back from college, I have my lunch. After lunch, I sleep for an hour. At 5 p.m. in the evening, I go out to market. I come back home by 6 p.m. Then I go to study for 2 hours. At 10 o'clock, I take dinner. Then 11 o'clock, I go to sleep. Thank you.
Yes, next. Rahul Kumar Gupta.
I get up in the morning and I woke up. First, I get dressed. After then, I come out of my house. I walk for some time and then sit for 10 minutes. And then I take a cup of a tea and I read the newspaper. After that, I rest of my some time. Then after, I study for some time. Around 8 o'clock, I take breakfast. Then after, I ready to go college. I left my house around 8 o'clock. Around 8:30 in college. And then I spend my time in college. After in college, back to home. And then I lunch sometime. Then I take a cup of tea. After take a tea, I go for a walk in park. After coming house from watch TV and then I continue social media after and then I go to thank you ma'am.
All right. Next. Please start. Yeah.
Hello everyone, good morning. Today topic my daily routine. I always wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Firstly, I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I do some exercise in 30 minutes. Then I drink a cup of tea. After that, I put on my clothes and start wearing my college bag. Then I take my breakfast. After that, I leave the hostel. Then I go to my college at 9 o'clock and start my first class. Then I leave my college around 1:30 to go to my hostel, and after I rest for some time. Then I take my lunch. Then I study. And after that, my online movie session class at 4:30 to 5:30. After that, I walk around outside because the evening time is very good time because the natural one grows. Then I like at home in evening. Then I go to my roommate friend. Then I study at 9 to 10 o'clock. Then I eat dinner. Then I read the book and sing the song and go to sleep. And I spend my every day very well. That's all.
हाँ भाई माइक से बोलिए पहला मिनट आवाज नहीं
Yes, next.
ऑनलाइन तो हम भी हैं हम सीधा बोलेंगे हम रुकता ही नहीं किसी को कब अपने बोलेंगे बाबू तुम बैठ गया जो तुम्हारे में नहीं है कौन है भाई
Mike,
Morning. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I do some exercise. Then I put my clothes and prepare my college bag. And then go to next I eat breakfast and 8 o'clock to college and start my first class 9 o'clock. That's my daily routine. So thank you so much.
you have only spoken about morning. I said morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Chali, who else is there who would like to speak? Nobody. Hmm?
Hi, this is Vishwa. Now I am talking about today's routine, my today's routine, daily routine. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. daily. Then I go to get fresh and take a bath. After that, I check my homework and take a look of yesterday's class notes. Now it's 8:30 a.m. I have my breakfast and go to college. After that, when I feel tired, after college, when I feel tired, I sleep for couples of hours, and if I don't feel tired, I spend some times on social media and games. Then I take my lunch. After that, I do my homeworks and study for 2 hours. Now it's almost 5 or 5:30 p.m. I used to go out for some walking. I return home at 7. IPL is going on as I am addicted to cricket. I watch matches late night. Between matches, I take my dinner. When match finish,
Is that all? Is that all? All right. Anybody else who would like to speak? Anybody else? Now there's some guidelines which I would like to give you, and which you will have to answer when you're answering the question. My ongoing activities or what is my daily routine? Please write down the questions. Keep quiet and write down the question which I am writing just now. My ongoing activities or my daily routine, both are the same thing. Ongoing activities means what are you doing these days? Your current activities, ongoing activities, right? Or my daily routine. Questions? The first question is, what time do you usually get up? Do not answer the question like I get up in the morning at 5. I get up in the morning. No point using the word morning. I get up at 5. I get up at 6. I get up at 7. क्या? सोते नहीं मतलब you never sleep in that night. How is it possible? A person who doesn't sleep at night, how can he work in the daytime? Okay, जो रात में एग्जाम के टाइम में पढ़ते हैं उसका अलग टर्मिनोलॉजी है. You pull an all-nighter. It means the students who stay up the night to study, they are all-nighters. They are pulling all-nighters. I thought you are an owl or what? Owls don't sleep at night, huh? All right. So जब आप बात करते हैं अपने डेली रूटीन के बारे में, तो सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन आता है, आप उठते कितने बजे? The morning starts the day. So you get up early, you get up late, and the term like I get up at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, ये इसको avoid कीजिए. I get up at 6, I get up at 7, right? I'm writing down some answers which might help you. Yeah, avoiding it. So answers हम लिख रहे हैं. I normally get up at 6. I usually get up at 6. I generally get up at 6. Normally, usually, generally. Stop talking out there. Next answer. I am an early riser. It means आप जल्दी उठते हैं. I normally get up at 6. I normally get up at 7. I am an early riser. It means आप जल्दी उठते हैं. You can fill in the blanks over here. I am an early riser. The next answer is I get up in the wee hours. And this wee hours is the time between 3 and 4. जो आप ब्रह्म मुहूर्त बोलते हैं, before sunrise. wee hours मतलब 3 से 4 बजे का समय जो होता है उसको बोलते हैं wee hours. WEED. In English, wee means small. Wee bit. Give me a wee bit of cake. Cake. It means छोटा सा cake. लेकिन यहाँ पर छोटा का मतलब क्या हुआ? Very early morning, before sunrise. The time before sunrise. How many of you get up in the wee hours? कितने लोग उठते हैं सुबह? Very good. Very good. तो ठीक है, उठते हैं ना, तो ब्रह्म मुहूर्त कहते हैं. ये प्रेयर टाइम है.
शाम का बात करें.
People who are worshipping, people who get up to worship, they get up early in the morning. Right? तो अगर आप बोलते हैं कि वीकडेज में हम देर से जल्दी उठते हैं और वीकेंड में हम देर तक सोते हैं, वी आर नहीं तो दिया वर्ड. आप क्या नहीं पता है तो पता होगा. स्टॉप टॉकिंग. यहाँ कुछ बताया जा रहा है जो आपको नहीं पता है. And why are you talking when you're taught something which you do not know? Sit back and learn. On weekdays, मतलब मंडे टू सैटरडे आपको ऑफिस कॉलेज जाना होता है तो आप जल्दी उठते हैं. वीकडेज मतलब मंडे टू Saturday, you get up early, but on weekends, I'm reading it out for you. On weekdays, I get up early. But on weekends I sleep till late. मतलब देर तक आप सोते हैं. ठीक है. सिंपल सेंटेंसेस है जो कि लिखने में समझने में दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए. And I'm using only present tense when you're writing about daily routine. Second question. Now all of you have said I wash my face, I brush, I take a shower. कोई जरूरत नहीं बोलने की. ये सब अंडरस्टूड है. इसको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपकी एक्टिविटी क्या है वो बोलिए. आप जो एक्टिविटी सब कर रहे हो जो ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड है. You will use the washroom, you will take a shower, whatever. वो सब की बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप एक्टिविटी से शुरू करिएगा. My day starts with exercises. My day starts with prayers. My day starts with taking a walk. ठीक है. आपका दिन, आपके दिन का शुरुआत कैसे होता है यहाँ से आप शुरू करेंगे. Not by brushing my teeth or washing my face. That is already understood. Don't include that. It looks very stupid. क्या? नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. बहुत बेतुका लगता है. सब लोग करते हैं. तुम थोड़े स्टैंडर्ड 1 में पढ़ रहे हो, बेबी क्लास में पढ़ रहे हो. This is the way I brush my teeth. This is the way I comb my hair. This is the way I go to school. नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. बाप रे, कहाँ के तुम. चलो कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हो यार. वो सब अंडरस्टूड है कि जो आपका डेली रूटीन है वो अंडरस्टूड है. हाँ, वो आप डालेंगे. वो हम क्वेश्चन डाल रहे हैं ना उसका. My day starts with. अब यहाँ पर आपको चॉइस मिल रहा है. My day starts with prayers. My day starts with exercises. My day starts with jogging, running, taking a walk. My day starts with workout. Yes. Sentences मैं दे रही हूँ आपको. My day starts with exercises followed by a glass of. आप जो बोल सकते हैं वो मत बोलिएगा. मुझे पता है, मैंने सुन लिया है क्या बोल सकते हैं आप. ठीक है. The next question is, which newspaper do you read and why? Which newspaper? Normally ये सब चीजें लोग मॉर्निंग में करते हैं, तो यहाँ पर अब टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन आ रहा है. Which newspaper do you read and why? Whatever. The next question is, do you think breakfast is the most important meal of the day? Highlight the importance of healthy food. Now, in this question, you can answer what time do you have breakfast, highlighting the importance, the benefits of healthy food, and do you think breakfast is the most important meal of the day? These two questions will be answering about your eating habits in the morning. Because health is well, you can, every question is a presentation. You can start with health as well. So I never skip my breakfast. मैं breakfast छोड़ता नहीं हूँ, कभी ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं नहीं खाती हूँ, ठीक है? I seldom skip my breakfast. मतलब कि शायद ही मैं कभी नाश्ता सुबह का करना छोड़ता हूँ, करता हूँ नहीं, शायद ही कभी skip करते हैं, right? As breakfast is the most important meal of the day, I know the importance of health and health is wealth. If you want to work hard, if you want to stay healthy, if you want to work hard, you have to be healthy. So success starts with good health. Every question is a paragraph, is a presentation, right? Do you understand what I'm hinting at? Yes, ma'am. I am hinting at your communication skills, how to improve your communications, how to speak English fluently with the help of these questions, right? And the first question, second question was, which newspaper do you read and why? Here you have to highlight the importance of print media. Let me put the sentence again, question again. The importance of print media. So which newspaper do you read and why? And discuss the importance of print media. Newspaper पढ़ने के क्या फायदे हैं? किस तरह से आप enhance करते हैं अपना skills, right? People at the back, stop talking. I want all these answers, and every question is a presentation, right? So please do not tell me then I do this, then I do this, then I do this, then I do this, then. No, then. Like I read the newspaper, followed by a healthy breakfast, followed by first of all, secondly, next, after that, then use different words. You started with then, you completed with then. And what I could listen was only then. Then what? So what? Yeah. I thought the topic is then. So you will start with first of all, secondly, first of all, I take a long walk. To keep healthy, it means I invest time in myself, in my workouts, exercises. Or my day starts with prayers. My day starts. I get up in the wee hours and my day starts with prayers. अब सब जानते हैं कि बिना कोई नहाए धोए तो पूजा करेगा नहीं, तो हम क्यों कहेंगे then I go and take my bath, then I no. अगर हम बोल रहे हैं my day starts with prayers, it's understood है, the person already must be having a shower and prayers का मतलब भी नहा धो करके आदमी पूजा करता है, ऐसे थोड़ी बैठ जाए, नहीं वो सब फातिमारी वाली पूजा नहीं होती, दिखाने के वास्ते. Okay, my day starts with prayers followed by a walk in the park, followed by first of all, secondly, then next. Okay, do not use then. Firstly, first of all, secondly, thirdly. And most importantly, I do not forget to listen to music, which is something which I really like. आप अपना डेली रूटीन में एक्टिविटीज लिखेंगे. अब मैंने ब्रश किया, मैंने नहाया, मैंने बाल झाड़ा, forget it. I want your activities. ये जो आपने आप जो कहते हैं ना, ये सारे लोग यही कहते हैं. How you are different from somebody else. अगर मैंने कहा कि I get up in the wee hours and my morning starts with prayers followed by listening to music, which keeps मेरा है, तुम्हारा कुछ और होगा, तुम्हारा combing होगा, right? And then these questions, which newspaper do you read and why? It means you are highlighting the importance of reading newspaper, और न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ के आपको क्या क्या फायदे मिलते हैं, नहीं मिलते हैं, अगर नहीं पढ़ते हैं तो पढ़ना शुरू कर दीजिए. Yeah, of course. People at the back are very busy talking. If you want to say something, speak in your microphone so that we can hear. जब बोलने का चांस आता है तो चुप लगा जाते हो तुम लोग, और जब नहीं बोलना होता है you continuously talk. I'm putting in another question. Morning का ये, अब आफ्टरनून का कुछ और क्वेश्चन होगा. The last question for today and the morning session. These questions are for morning, and then there will be some questions for the afternoon, evening, and the night. Talking about your daily routine is not something to joke about. When you tell me about your routine, I'll know what type of a person you are. आपके रूटीन से, आपके स्केड्यूल से, आपके एक्टिविटीज से आपकी पहचान बनती है, right? So be very careful in answering these questions, and do not give me such answers which I said no, which was totally rejected. Now the last question, how are your mornings? अब किसी की mornings बहुत busy होती है, किसी की mornings बहुत interesting होती है, किसी की mornings बहुत boring होती है, जिसको कुछ नहीं करना, बस उठ के बैठ जाना है. अगर आप लिखते हैं my mornings are boring, then I can understand what type of a boring person you are. Because you have nothing to do, you are not doing anything. People are coming to and giving you tea. People are coming and giving you coffee, giving you breakfast, making your bed, cleaning your room, and you're doing nothing. You are just coming to class, and class में भी कुछ नहीं करना है. मैम पूछेंगी homework करना है. You will feel the class is so boring. You will feel bored the whole day in college. Then you'll go back home. How are your evenings? Very boring. Yes. कोई कहता है कि my mornings are boring. It shows what a boring person he or she is. तो आप लोग में से कितने लोग कह रहे हैं कि my mornings are boring? Yeah, somebody is there. Is that? Oh God, there are two boring persons over here. All right, I'm giving you some vocabulary how to answer this question. How are your mornings? My mornings are interesting. अभी आप interesting कैसे हैं आपको बताना पड़ेगा. My mornings are interesting because I get up in the morning and I write something. I am a creative writer. I write my idea bank, and the morning is the best time. So I do some writing that makes it so interesting. I listen to music. I listen to my favorite music. That makes it interesting. I always have something to do in the morning. I always find something new to do. I learn some vocabulary. I make my day interesting, and any day starts with the morning, and the morning shows the day. Morning बताता है कि दिन कैसा जाने वाला है. अगर शुरू से आपको लगेगा today is my morning is very boring, your whole day is going to be pretty boring. So try to make yourself a very interesting person by doing something interesting, like learning some vocabulary, learning a new song, writing some sentences, creating an idea bank. You all are studying at SEMES, so we will be motivating you, telling you about the life skills, किस तरह से जिंदगी को जीना चाहिए और खुश होकर जीना चाहिए. So my mornings can be interesting. My mornings can be hectic. Hectic का मतलब होता है बहुत ज्यादा काम रहता है, एक के बाद एक, back to back work. For example, people who are cooking at home, ironing at home, making their own breakfast, students who are living alone over here, their mornings are pretty hectic. बहुत hectic उन लोग का work रहता है, back to back work, right? So my mornings are hectic. हेक्टिक का मतलब बैक टू बैक काम, बहुत ज्यादा काम कि सोचने समझने का वक्त ही नहीं मिलता है. I have to multitask. मल्टीटास्क का मतलब क्या होता है? नहीं, ये भी कर रहे हैं, वो भी कर रहे हैं, खाना भी बना रहे हैं, कुछ म्यूजिक भी सुन रहे हैं, मेकिंग इट इंटरेस्टिंग. हाँ, lot of work at the same time. Yeah. I am also checking on WhatsApp. What time is the class? WhatsApp भी check कर रहे हैं, food भी prepare कर रहे हैं, cleaning भी कर रहे हैं, homework भी कर रहे हैं. You are doing a lot of work because you want to finish all work before you reach college. So multitask, taking care of lot of work at the same time. So I hope the vocabulary will be helping you. So did you understand? First of all, my day starts with followed by a glass of water. I never forget to take walk. I never forget to attend to my backlogs. And most importantly, I make it a point to eat healthy. I have my breakfast at 8, which includes healthy food like milk, whatever. I know that health is wealth. So if I want to work, if I want to be happy, I have to be healthy. And the first thing is eating habits. Now I'm not going to dictate things to you. I am only giving you the guideline. If you can understand, did you understand? Did you get the? Okay. So maybe in the next class, I'll get some better version of tell me something about yourself. No getting fresh, no combing my hair, no taking a shower, right? Straight away, start with your activities. That's it for today.